Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing the Okomo wireless mouse and the Apple Magic Mouse. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to design and features, both mice have their own unique qualities. The Okomo wireless mouse features an upgraded LED design, adding a touch of fun to your office life. It also has a rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. On the other hand, the Apple Magic Mouse offers a sleek and minimalist design with a multi-touch surface that allows for easy gestures like swiping and scrolling. In terms of connectivity and compatibility, both mice have their advantages. The Okomo wireless mouse uses 2.4 GHz wireless technology, providing a powerful and reliable connection up to 10 meters. It's compatible with various devices, including Windows and MacBook. However, if your laptop only has a USB-C port, you'll need to use the included USB-C to USB adapter. The Apple Magic Mouse, on the other hand, connects wirelessly via Bluetooth and is specifically designed for Mac and iPad users. It pairs quickly and seamlessly with your device, allowing you to get to work right away. It's important to note that the Magic Mouse requires a Bluetooth-enabled Mac with OS by 10.11 or later, or an iPad with iPadOS 13.4 or later. When it comes to performance and comfort, both mice excel in their own ways. The Okomo wireless mouse offers a silent click feature, reducing noise by 90%, making it ideal for quiet environments like offices or libraries. It also has an ergonomic design, providing maximum support and comfort for your hand. The Apple Magic Mouse, known for its smooth glide, is optimized for easy navigation across your desk. It offers a rechargeable battery that can last for about a month or more between charges, ensuring you can work without interruptions. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Okomo wireless mouse comes in at a very affordable price of $21, making it a budget-friendly option without compromising on features. On the other hand, the Apple Magic Mouse is priced at $79, reflecting its premium quality and compatibility with Apple devices. Based on online reviews, the Okomo wireless mouse is praised for its long-lasting charge, fun colors, and affordable price. However, there are some concerns about its fragility and scroll feature. On the other hand, the Apple Magic Mouse is loved for its sleek design, smooth gliding, and compatibility with Apple devices. Users appreciate its rechargeable battery and fast connection. However, some wish it could be used while charging. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Okomo wireless mouse and the Apple Magic Mouse. Both mice have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember to consider factors like design, connectivity, performance, and price when making your decision. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.